So pretty, my Coda. She my girl. Getting some sun. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Give me the toy. Give me that toy, please. Give me that toy. She's so strong. She's too strong for me. It squeaks.
She was going to take that up and show Charlie today.
2-a-days. My mom's on 2-a-days with this dang dog. Twice a day they go to the dog park. And she's up in the morning yelling at the sun because it's not up yet. She's like, why is it not sunny yet? Use your special move. Can you get it? She got it. She's a wrestler. She a wrestler, man. She know jujitsu. She know jujitsu, man. What do you say? Sit. What do you say? Speak. Speak.